fucking... What is going on, guys? It's Saturday, which means it's adventure day, and we're currently in the national park, Mount Ruapahu, Ngārahoe or whatever, Tongariro, yeah, they're all around here. Today I actually plan on going to the Blue Springs just out of Tauru, which is where 90%, I think it's 90% of New Zealand's bottled water comes from. Apparently it's meant to be beautiful. Go there another time, it's like an hour away from where I live. I got halfway there and I was like, I'm gonna go to the snow. So I came here and it's raining and miserable, but we're out here doing it anyway and it's awesome. I've actually been to 2 waterfalls. I got hopefully one photo that I really like that I need to edit. Today is my first time on this thing, vlogging. No mic, audio shit, I'm sorry. And it's also, today I've come off JPEG format and just gone on to RAW. So we're going to see how that turns out as well. Today might be a total bust, it might be life-changing. Hey, you never know. But at the moment I'm on the way to another, not waterfall, but Silica Rapids. It's a walk. It's about an hour and 15 minutes from the road you come up on. I think I'm almost there, I'm not sure. I'm the only one out here, which is awesome. And yeah, we're just out here getting shit done. Doing hikes, I suppose, I don't know, whatever you want to call them. And it's awesome. So I'm going to pick you guys back up when I get to the rapids. And we'll take some photos there, have some chill out, and yeah, sick. Okay, so as I'm walking along, I am noticing a little bit more snow, like this passage. And there's quite a bit. Hopefully this continues. Hopefully this continues and there's a bit where I want it. Trying to make some cool photos. I'm learning that photographing snow is photographing. Taking photos of snow is hard, even with the ND filter. And it's a learning curve, which is awesome because that's what I'm all about. Just because it's white, I don't know, maybe I want more detail. But anyway, hopefully this snow saga continues. I'm not too far from the rapids, I don't think. And yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a good walk, good to get out. Highly suggest it. Instead of sitting at home bored, go do something and have fun. Alright, I've made it to Silica Rapids. There's a bunch of snow here on the ground. Woo! It's pretty, it's foggy, sounds like waterfalls, which is what I love, but just try not to slip over. Check this out. Now, if that isn't fucking like gorgeous, step this way. No, we're gonna step this way. I don't know. If that isn't fucking gorgeous, I don't know what is. So I know I made it to Silica Rapids. There's this thing, tells you all about it. And yeah. It's raining, so probably the lens is wet, so I don't know. I'm gonna take some photos and head back because it's raining and it's cold and I'm wet. Not in the good kind.